Bonjour mes élèves, and today we are going to see about the lesson 4. Qu'est-ce que vous prenez? It means what do you take? So before that, we will record once our third lesson. Third lesson name is Découvrir une vie, that is a describe a city. And the dialogue A, it's about two French tourists. Who are the two French tourists? One is Marie and Pascal. They are in Mylapore and they want to visit the Kaplishwara temple. And the dialogue between Pascal, Marie, and the passerby. And move to the dialogue B, two Indian tourists. Who are the two Indian tourists? Malati and Sumati. They are in Paris and they want to visit the cathedral. And the dialogue between Malati, Sumati, and the passerby. And let us move to the grammar, which is based on your third lesson. First one is les articles contractés, that is contracted article avec preposition a. It means in, at, to. And preposition a preposition plus a definite article. What are the definite article? Le, la, le, l apostrophe, and it becomes o, a la, a l apostrophe, and o. And next one is les adjective demonstrative. It is used to indicate the specific thing, that is demonstrative adjective. And what are the demonstrative adjective? So, sat, say. These are the demonstrative adjective. And next, conjugation of verbs, that is aller verb conjugation. Aller means to go, and vouloir to wish or to want, and voir means to see, and devoir means must, and the verbs ends with re, that is re verbs. And next, preposition the lieu, that is place of prepositions, like devant, derrière. Devant means what? In front of, and derrière means behind. And interrogation, it's interrogation. It is used to ask the questions. And in this lesson you are going to use the third one, that is inversion method. You have to invert the subject and the verb. So this is all about our third lesson. Move to our today's lesson, that is lesson 4, communication part. First one is demander ce qu'on veut. It means to ask what you want. And second one is dire ce qu'on veut, to tell what we want. And third one is dire ce qu'on ne veut pas, so to say what we don't want. So your dialogue, it's about these three things only. And first dialogue, Winfami Tamil Pondicherry. It is a Tamil family in Pondicherry. And dialogue A, see the picture. This picture refers to the Tamil family. And move to the personage, that is characters. Who are the characters in this dialogue A? Le père, father, and Kumar, and Shamli, and la mère, that is mother. So this dialogue between these four people only. And let us move to the dialogue. First one, mama, mummy, that is mother, and Kumar, viens vite. Qu'est-ce que tu prends pour le petit déjeuner? So Kumar, come quick. What do you take for the breakfast? Petit déjeuner means what? Breakfast. And this dialogue is about the food only. And Kumar, des dosas, vous des puris, and je ne veux pas d'idli, j'en ai marre. It means dosa are puris. I don't want the idlis. I am fed up. And Shamli, Mama, Kumar a raison. Nous mangeons toujours des idlis au petit déjeuner. So Shamli says, Mummy, Kumar is right, and we always eat idlis for the breakfast. And Mama, mais les idlis sont bons pour la santé. It means, but idlis are good for health. And Papa, moi, je voudrais un peu de céréales, s'il te plaît. It means myself, I would like to have a little cereal, please. And Mama, pardon, nous n'avons plus de cereals. It means sorry, we have no more cereals. And Papa, pourquoi est-ce que tu demandes alors and nous n'avons pas de choix? It means then why do you ask? We do not have any choice. And Mama, arrêtez le sarcasme, s'il vous plaît, and vous voulez le petit déjeuner, vous pas. It means stop the sarcastic remark, please, and you want breakfast or not. And Papa, bon, oui, deux idli, s'il te plaît, and well, yes, two idlis, please. And Mama, Kumar et Shamli, prenez les idlis en silence, et puis vous finissez vite votre devoir, and vos notes me sont pas bons, travaillez bien sans bavarder. It means Kumar and Shamli silently take the idlis and then you quickly do your homework and your marks are not good and work hard without charting. So this is all about your dialogue A, and dialogue A, it's a Tamil family in Pondicherry and the conversation between mummy, that is mother, father, and Kumar and Shamli. And mummy is asking, Kumar, come quicker, what do you take for the breakfast? And Kumar says, and he wants those are puris, and he don't want the idlis also, and he is fed up. And Shamli says, Kumar is right. We are always eating the idlis for breakfast. And mummy says what? But idlis are good. And daddy, myself, himself, what he wants, he would like to have a little cereals. But mummy says we have no more cereals. And mummy stop the sarcastic. Sorry, daddy says, then why do you ask? We don't have any choice. And mummy says, stop the sarcastic remark, please. And you want breakfast or not? And daddy, well, yes, two idlis, please. And mummy says, Kumar and Shamli silently take the idlis and then you quickly do your homework and your marks are not good and work hard without shouting. So this is all about the dialogue A, and move to the lexic and le verb. And lexic is a with. With means what? Fast. And le petit déjeuner, breakfast. And toujours, always. And le santé, health. Choix, choice. And silence, silent. Not, marks. And bien, good. So these are the lexic which is based on your dialogue A. And move to the verbs. Venir means to come. And prendre, to take. Vouloir, to want. And manger, to eat. And demander, to ask. And finir means to finish. And travailler means to work, which is based on your dialogue A. Let us move to the dialogue B. Une famille française à Paris, that is a French family in Paris. And see, this image it refers to the French family. And les personnages, that is characters in dialogue B. Françoise et Yoli. So Yoli, bonjour Françoise, est-ce que tu prends des céréales? Hi Françoise, do you take the cereals? And Françoise, non, je veux prendre un petit déjeuner typiquement français, du pain avec du beurre, du fromage et de la confiture et de la marmelade. And pour finir, je vais prendre du yoghurt. It means, non, je vais prendre un petit déjeuner typiquement français. It means, I want to take a typical French breakfast. What is mean by typical French breakfast? So they are going to eat this thing only. That is bread and butter, cheese, like that only. So du pain, it means bread, and beurre, butter, and fromage, cheese, confiture, jam, and marmelade, also marmelade. And pour finir, je vais prendre du yogurt. To wind up, I'm going to take the yogurt. Yogurt, it's a type of curd. And Yoli, tu manges beaucoup, tu veux grossir, vous quoi? You eat a lot and you want to put on weight or what? And Françoise, je ne peux manger comme toi. Et alors, toi, qu'est-ce que tu bois? It means I cannot eat like you. And then you, what are you having? And Yoli, je bois de la boisson fraîche, prends un jus d'orange fraise, and c'est delicious. I'm having a fresh juice and take a fresh orange juice and it is delicious. And François, non, je vais préparer un bon café indien. Tu en veux? So no, I'm going to prepare a good Indian coffee. Do you want it? Yoli, oui merci, mais sans lait et sans sucre s'il te plaît. So yes, thank you, but without milk and sugar, please. So this is all about your dialogue B is about a French family in Paris and the dialogue between Yoli and Françoise. And Yoli's first conversation, hi Françoise, do you take the cereals? And François says, no, I won't take a typical French breakfast, bread and butter, cheese, jam and marmalade. And for that to wind up, he's going to take that yogurt. Yogurt is a type of curd. And Yoli, you eat a lot and you want to put on weight of what? And François, I cannot eat like you. And then you, what you are having? And Yoli, I am having fresh juice and take a fresh orange juice. It is delicious. And François says, no, I'm going to prepare a good Indian coffee and you want it? Yoli, yes, thank you, but without milk and sugar, please. So this is all about our dialogue B. So let us move to the lexic and le verb. First one is le beurre, it means butter. Le fromage, cheese. Le confiture, jam. Le marmalade, marmalade. Le yogurt, yogurt. And boisson, drinks. Cafe, coffee. And sucre means sugar. And this is the verbs aller, to go, boire, to drink, and préparer, to prepare, manger, to eat, and prendre means to take. So this is all about the vocabularies and the verbs which is based on your dialogue B. And this is les aliments indiens, that is Indian food. So what are the Indian foods? And palak paneer, chapati. This is pure soup, that is dali, Indian rice and biryani, masala tea, samosa and puri cakes, gulab jamun. So these are the Indian foods. And move to the is alimentaire français, that is a French food. First one is le beurre. Beurre means what? Butter. And le chocolat, chocolate. Le croissant, that's one of the type of French bread. And le biscuit, biscuit. And le pain, bread. And le cereal, cereals only. And le café, coffee. Le lait, milk. And jus de fruit, that is fruit juice. Le water. Le Coca-Cola. And le chocolat chaud, that is hot chocolate. So this is French food. And move to the choisis de la meilleure réponse. Choose the best answer which is based on your fourth lesson. First one is qu'est-ce que tu prends pour le dash déjeuner? So what would you like to have for the breakfast? So breakfast in French, petit déjeuner. So the answer is what? Petit. And Shamli dit, nous mangeons toujours des dash or petit déjeuner. Shamli says, we are always eat idlis for the breakfast. So idli is in French, idlis also. So the answer is idli. And Kumar dash. So Kumar is right. So right in French, raison. And fourth one, les dash sont bons pour la santé. So which is good for health? Idlis only. So the answer is what? Idlis. And fifth one, Françoise veut prendre un petit déjeuner typiquement. So Françoise would like to take the that is a typically French breakfast. So the answer is what? French is français. And sixth one is Françoise va prendre du dash. So Françoise is going to take the yogurt. So yogurt in French also yogurt only. And seventh one, Yoli boit de la boisson fraîche. Fraîche means what? Fresh. So Yoli drinks the fresh juice. And next, eighth one, Françoise va préparer un bon café. Indian. So Francois is going to prepare your Indian coffee. So the answer is Indian. And move to the second content, deep ray of four, that is true or false. First one, selon mama les idlis sont bons pour la santé. So idlis are good for health. Mama says only. So the answer is true. Break. And second one is il y a beaucoup de céréales dans la maison de Kumar et Shamli. So there are lot of cereals in the maison, in the house of Kumar and Shamli. No, they don't have the cereal. So the answer is what? False. And third one is Kumar et Shamli. Move to the third one. Kumar et Shamli finissons le devoir après le petit déjeuner. So Kumar and Shamli, after the breakfast, they are going to finish the devoir means what? Homework. Yes, the answer is true. So the answer is vrai. And fourth one, Kumar and Shamli on the bon note. So Kumar and Shamli, they are getting a good marks. No, they are getting bad marks only. So the answer is what? False. And fifth one is La famille Tamil est à Pondicherry. The Tamil family in Pondicherry. Yes. So the answer is vrai. And sixth one, La famille française est à Paris. So the French family is in Paris. Yes. So the answer is vrai. And seventh one, François prend des cereals pour le petit déjeuner. So François has take the cereals for the breakfast. No, he is taking the bread, butter, jam like that. So the answer is what? False. And eighth one, Yoli am un petit déjeuner typiquement français. So Yoli likes the breakfast that is French typically. No, François only. So the answer is what? False. And third one is répondez questions. That is answer the following. First one, d'habitude, qu'est-ce que Kumar mange le matin? So usually Kumar eat what he eat for the breakfast. Il mange des idlis le matin. So he takes idlis in the morning. And B1, qu'est-ce qu'il veut manger ce matin? So what he want to eat in the morning, that is Kumar. Il veut prendre des dosas ou des puris. So he would like to take the dosas or puris. And third one, qu'est-ce que vous prenez pour le petit déjeuner? So what would you like to take for the breakfast? So je prends les idlis pour le petit déjeuner. It refers to the Kumar only. So I take the idlis for the breakfast. And next, qu'est-ce qu'un Français prend pour le petit déjeuner? François. So what François would like to take for the breakfast? Il prend du pain avec du beurre, and he takes bread with the butter and du fromage, cheese, and de la confiture, that is jam, et de la marmelade, and some marmalade. And even as qu'est-ce que café indien? So what is meant by Indian coffee? Coffee. On prépare un café indien. We prepare Indian coffee avec du lait, with some milk, et du sucre, and with some sugar. So this is all about your today's video. And today's video is about lesson 4, that is qu'est-ce que vous prenez? It means what do you take? And the dialogue A, it's about the Tamil family in Pondicherry, and the dialogue between 4 people, that is mummy, mummy, daddy, and Kumar and Shamli. So they are discussing about the food for the breakfast. And dialogue B, French family in Paris, and the dialogue between Yoli and François. They are also discussing about the food for the breakfast. And I hope you are all understand this video, and I'll give assessment which is based on this video, and you have to do. And merci. Thank you to all.